Right on cue. Understanding timely phrases in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a common English expression, right on cue. Have you ever wondered what it means when someone enters a room just as you mention their name? That's an example of this phrase in action. Let's explore how it's used and where it comes from. The phrase, right on cue, means that something happens exactly at the moment it is expected to, much like an actor entering the stage at the precise moment during a play. This idiom is often used when an event occurs coincidentally at an appropriate time, emphasizing the timeliness of the action. Right on cue has its roots in the theater world. A cue is a signal for something to happen. In the context of a play or a performance, actors take their cues from the script, entering or exiting the stage at just the right moment. When we use this phrase in everyday language, we're comparing real-life timing to the precision of a well-rehearsed show. Let's look at how to use right on cue in various contexts. As soon as we started talking about the weather, it began to rain, right on cue. He mentioned he was hungry, and right on cue, a food truck pulled up. These examples show that the phrase adds a playful element to conversations, suggesting that the timing was almost too perfect to be a coincidence. When learning this phrase, be cautious not to confuse cue with cue, which means a line or a sequence. Remember, cue, in this context, is about timing, not order. That's all for right on cue. It's a simple yet vivid way to describe perfect timing in everyday situations. We hope you can now use this phrase right on cue in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more fun phrases in our next video. Happy learning!